Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Ninja Creami is probably one of the most exciting kitchen gadgets to hit the market in recent years, promising homemade ice cream, sorbet, and more with the touch of a button. But does it live up to the hype? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of the Ninja Creami, exploring its features, ease of use, and, most importantly, the taste of the final product. Number 5. Ninja Foodi Smart XL 6-in-1 Grill. This is the all-in-one indoor electric grill and air fryer. It sears, sizzles, and crisps your food perfectly. It's ideal for countertop use, combining grilling and air frying for amazing results. Enjoy authentic barbecue grill flavor indoors. The 500 degrees Fahrenheit cyclonic air char grills food evenly. You can get delicious sear marks without needing outdoor grills. It's perfect for apartments or indoor smokeless cooking. The Foodi Smart Thermometer takes the guesswork out of cooking. It uses 4 protein presets and 9 doneness levels. Whether it's rare steak or well-done chicken, it gets it right every time. The grill grate fits up to 6 steaks or 24 hot dogs. You can cook mains and sides all at once. It's ideal for large air fryer needs, meal prepping, or family dinners. It's more than just a grill. This air fryer also air crisps, roasts, bakes, broils, and dehydrates. It replaces multiple appliances, from juicy burgers to crispy wings. Achieve that crispy fried texture with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying. It uses the 4QT air fryer crisper basket. It's a great choice for health-conscious cooks. Enjoy grilling without the smoke. A splatter shield, cool air zone, and temperature-controlled grill grate work together to keep smoke to a minimum. It's perfect for smokeless indoor grilling and keeping your kitchen clean. What we like? This grill is a true all-rounder, offering 6 cooking functions in one appliance. It simplifies meal prep with its diverse capabilities. If you're looking for a versatile kitchen gadget that can handle everything from grilling to air frying, this is the one for you. What people say. It has multiple settings including grilling, air frying, baking etc. Everything I have made on the Foodi has turned out perfectly. The grill, griddle, and air crisp basket come clean with a sprayer faucet. Number 4. Ninja Creami NC301 Ice Cream Maker. This is the Ninja Creami, a revolutionary appliance that turns almost anything into ice cream, sorbet, milkshakes, and more. It has a wattage of 800 watts and a voltage of 120 volts. You can create delicious frozen treats with ease. With the Ninja Creami, you're in control. You can create everything from decadent gelato to low sugar, keto, dairy-free, and vegan options. Make frozen treats that are as unique as you are. Personalize your treat with mix-ins. Add chocolate, nuts, candy, fruit, and more to customize any Creami creation. The possibilities are endless, allowing you to create the perfect flavor and texture. This machine features 7 one-touch programs. These programs provide the perfect combination of speed, pressure, and time to shave through your frozen pint. Choose from ice cream, sorbet, gelato, milkshake, smoothie bowl, light ice cream, and mix in. Creating a Creami treat is simple. Just prep your base, freeze it overnight, process it, and enjoy. It's that easy to make your own delicious frozen desserts. If you want your treat softer and creamier after processing, use the respin function. This ensures the perfect texture every time. It's designed to give you the best results. This unit is only compatible with the Ninja Creami NC299 and NC300 pint accessories. Make sure you have the right accessories for your machine. Check the SKU number at the bottom of your unit to confirm. What we like? This machine lets you create a wide variety of frozen desserts, from ice cream to sorbet. You can fully control the ingredients, making it perfect for those with dietary restrictions or specific flavor preferences. If you like experimenting with flavors and textures, this will be your new favorite toy. What people say. The Ninja Creami has completely transformed how I think about frozen desserts and has become one of the most used appliances in my kitchen. The 7 one-touch programs provide incredible versatility for different frozen treat preferences. Instead of churning ingredients as they freeze, you freeze your base completely solid in the provided containers. Then the machine uses its powerful blade system to shave and blend the frozen mixture into incredibly smooth, creamy perfection. Number 3. Breville Barista Express BES 870 XL Espresso Machine. This is the Breville Barista Express. It allows you to create third-wave specialty coffee right in your kitchen. It's part of the Barista series, designed for ease and quality. The integrated conical burr grinder grinds on demand. It delivers the perfect amount of freshly ground coffee directly into the portafilter. This ensures the best flavor for any bean roast. The machine uses low-pressure pre-infusion. This gradually increases pressure, ensuring all flavors are evenly extracted. This results in a balanced and delicious cup of coffee. Purchase and register any Breville coffee machine, and you'll receive 2 free bags of specialty coffee. Terms and conditions apply, so don't miss out on this offer. Digital temperature control, PID, ensures the water is at the perfect temperature. This guarantees optimal espresso extraction, giving you the best possible flavor. What we like. This espresso machine brings the cafe experience to your home with its integrated grinder and precise controls. It ensures optimal flavor extraction, delivering a balanced and delicious cup every time. If you are a coffee aficionado who appreciates quality and control, it's a great choice. What people say. The Ninja Creami makes it super easy to make ice cream, gelato, sorbet, and more at home. It is easy to use and clean. The machine is able to make a variety of frozen treats. Number 2. Ninja Creami Cookbook, homemade frozen treats. Are you ready to make delicious frozen treats at home? This cookbook is your guide to using the Ninja Creami. It helps you create amazing ice cream, gelato, and sorbet. Imagine making your own ice cream. This book provides easy-to-follow recipes. You can customize the flavors to your liking. Learn how to make authentic gelato. The recipes are designed for beginners. You'll be surprised how easy it is to make. Cool down with homemade sorbet. This cookbook offers a variety of sorbet recipes. It's perfect for a hot day. This book isn't just about ice cream, gelato, and sorbet. It also includes recipes for other frozen treats. It's a comprehensive guide for your Ninja Creami. What we like. This cookbook is perfect for those new to the world of homemade frozen desserts. It provides simple, easy-to-follow recipes for a variety of treats. If you are looking for a guide to get started with your Ninja Creami, this is a great starting point. What people say. The recipes are easy to follow, clearly written, and don't assume you already know your way around an ice cream maker. Each recipe includes helpful tips and variations, so it's fun to experiment and customize flavors. The book starts with clear, comprehensive information about the machine. Number 1. Ninja Creami Cookbook, 365 Recipes for Beginners. Are you ready to make delicious ice cream at home? This cookbook is perfect for beginners. It provides a variety of recipes to get you started. With this cookbook, you'll have a new recipe for every day of the year. It includes a wide range of options, from classic ice creams to refreshing sorbets and smoothies. This book covers it all. It offers recipes for ice cream, mix-ins, shakes, sorbets, and smoothies. It's a comprehensive guide to using your Ninja Creami. Whether you're new to the Ninja Creami or an experienced user, this book has something for you. It includes recipes for all skill levels, ensuring everyone can enjoy homemade frozen treats. Get ready to create amazing desserts. This cookbook will help you master your Ninja Creami and impress your friends and family with your creations. It's a must-have for any ice cream lover. What we like. This cookbook offers a vast collection of recipes for every day of the year, including mix-in ideas. It caters to both beginners and advanced users, ensuring there's something for everyone. If you like having a wide variety of options and want to explore the full potential of your machine, this is a must-have. What people say. The recipe book has many great ideas for making different frozen desserts. Each section offers recipes for each function of the machine. The book is quite clear to read and understand for everything you want to do, i.e. ice cream, sorbet, and everything else. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.